How to see unsent messenger messages. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can see unsent messenger messages. So let's get started. First of all, what you're going to do is simply head over to your phone settings, go to settings, and then you're going to search for the option of notifications. So if you're not able to find notifications over here, you can simply go to search settings and type in notification. So once you type in notification, you'll be able to see a couple of options pop up in front of you, such as notifications, messages, settings, notification apps and notifications, and then notifications. You're going to click on this second one over here. Once you do so, you'll be able to see all of the options over here. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on see all from last 7 days, click on it, and then you're going to select the application. In our case, we want to see the messages of Messenger. So you're going to simply head over, click on Messenger, and then you'll be able to see all of the past messages, even the messages that were unsent by your friends. So that is basically how you can see unsent Messenger messages. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.